When you choose PT to tell a technical story, there are a lot of advantages that you get that may not be immediately apparent. You certainly get the in-depth technical skills of all of our testing staff, people who work with key technologies every day, work with products and technologies and solutions like yours. You also get our award-winning agency people in any space, but certainly in the technical space. When you're telling a story, the more that story is real, the more it has the real-world details, the real-world experience behind it, the more it will resonate with people who actually work with those products every day and are trying to decide whether to buy your product. When we started PT, we began with the testing side. We created lab reports. And they were good, and they were strong, and they were fact-based. But what ended up happening is our clients would have to take them and then spend a quarter creating marketing materials from them. By getting the materials out to the market later, we effectively lower their value. The value of a piece of marketing collateral is how effective it is times how long it is relevant on the marketplace. So we started building our studio team, which is now an award-winning agency group inside PT. You have all of that expertise that team has accumulated, plus all of the expertise of the technical people they work with. This can save you a ton of time and cost. Now, nobody can replace your people in talking about your messaging, but all of that technical background is something that you typically have to train an agency with. PT comes preloaded with that. Not only have our studio team members worked with the technologies a lot, but they have the access to the entire technical team to come in, work with them on the project, give them that technical background, and greatly reduce your workload, which means also we'll get to market faster.